And Banana guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, there's something that Umpumelelo actually said on the podcast about Utirelo. He said that Utirelo is his soldier. Now, guys, you'd remember these were the exact same words that Umu Samselegu used towards Umakumalo, that she is his soldier. And basically, a soldier is a person that you can go to battle and you can go to war with that person, and that person will definitely have your back. Now, guys, I was thinking about a scene where Uvirazi was actually saying that I think it was season 1 of Izingane's Tembu. She was going to see a therapist, something like that, and saying that she is in a relationship, but she does not feel loved. Now, one thing I noticed on Tirelo's page, that there's a lot of pictures between her and Umpumelelo. And when I look, or when I've never seen much pictures between Uvuyogazi and Umpumelelo, and it made me think of the dynamics of their relationship. Because we all know, guys, two people, two different women can be dating the same guy, and he acts differently with the different woman, because people aren't the same, and um, people bring out different sides to you. So it made me wonder, Umpumelelo with Uvuyoga's relationship, is it that Ukai did not put much effort in their relationship? Or what was the case? Because I don't see much pictures of them out. Even when they were dating, guys, it was very seldom for me to see pictures between Uvuyogazi and Umpumelelo just having their cute and time together. Whereas with Utiralo, when I look at her pictures, I'm just like, there were so many subliminal pictures, though we did not know her, or people, because I did not follow her at that time, though people did not know she was necessarily in a relationship with Umpumelelo. When we look back at those pictures, you can see, Uti, these are people that oftenly go out. There's so many pictures with Umpumelelo and Utirelo, and it's making me think, did Umpumelelo put much more effort into his relationship with Utirelo than Uvuyogazi? Now, this is making me think ukuthi Uvuyogazi was never delusional when she started mentioning those things of, that he spends more time with Utirelo, when she even accused him of actually paying for Utirelo's maternity shoot. By then, when we heard it, I was just like, nah, Vuyogazi, that's too much. But now when I'm thinking about it, I'm just like, now that I'm thinking about it, it's not a far-fetched thing for Uvuyogazi to assume that, to have assumed that Umpumelelo paid for Utirelo's maternity photo shoot, because I mean, these two seem like they're always out and about together. So either, guys, Umpumelelo was investing a lot of time into this relationship with Utirelo, or either Utirelo is the type of girl that is willing to spend on her man. The type of girl guys like me were willing to spend on men. I know. Some of us guys, I don't know. To some people it's deep, but for me, I just think, I believe when a girl is truly in love with you, guys, she will spend money on you. When a girl's truly in love with you, she'll spend money on you. Anyway, asikwa lapho. But could it be that Utirelo was the one all along who was the outgoing one, and that it was not necessarily Umpumelelo who was doing the outings? Was because guys in general, Zulu guys, majority of Zulu guys, they don't know into your kipama ladies to fancy restaurants and all of that. And I see with Tirelo's pictures that there's a lot of time her and Umpumelelo are out and about. So it could be that Utirelo was the one offered Mpumelelo ezintweni, and she was the one who was outgoing, and the one that likes taking pictures. That's why there's so many memories of them, versus Uvuyogazi, who might be a lot more reserved and wants the guy to do a lot of the planning of going out and all of those type of things. That could be it. Now I'm trying to compare Makumalo and Utirelo. They might not really have the same personalities, but one thing they do have in common is that they seem as if they are willing to do anything, just about anything, to support their men and to make sure that their men are happy. So if Mpumelelo is saying this is his soldier, this is his ride or die, I mean, it's not a far-fetched thing for Utirelo to be taking Mpumelelo out. I mean, at the end of the day, it is her guy, it is her baby daddy. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. But it just gives me perspective to say that I don't think Uvuyokazi was crazy, you guys. And she was not making things up when she was actually saying on season 1 that these two actually do spend a lot of time. They actually do, you guys, if you see the amount of pictures. So yeah, a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some people saying that Umpumelelo or Utirelo is Umpumelelo's soulmate. One thing I will say that you can see that there's genuine love, because other people say, I've heard other people say that Utireno's in it for the money and the fame. I honestly don't think so, hey? I honestly don't think so. I feel like Ukel uyazifela ngumpumelelo, and I feel like because she's committed to Umpumelelo and loving and honoring him so much, Umpumelelo has reciprocated the love. I don't necessarily think it was always like this. I think Utireno's that type of girl that will bring out what she wants out of a man. But anyway, guys, I guess that's it. If you see your guy somewhere or your ex and you're like, how he's doing the things that I was begging him to do with some other girl, it's not always necessarily that maybe he loves that girl more than you. Maybe it's that that girl is willing to go the extra mile and do things that you know very well you're uncomfortable with, like maybe pay the bill and taking him out to fancy stuff, or maybe teaching him how to love you in ways that you deem your love language. Angazi, you guys, tell me what's your analysis on the way Umpumelelo behaved when he was with Uvuyokazi. Even if you'd notice, most of the times it looks like Umpumelelo and Uvuyokazi's scenes of their relationship, it's very stiff. I don't want to say, but it gives formal type of vibes. And then when you see him with Utirelo is like his best friend. He laughs, like they do silly things together. So sometimes don't take it personal. And I really hope Ugutu Vilgas, he never took it. Well, guys, there's children involved, so there's no way you can't take it personal. But sometimes you are not. It's that message that we used to send to our exes when we want to break up with someone, and that whole thing, it's not you, it's me. Sometimes it really is that, guys. It's really not you. It's just, yeah. Anyway, tell me what you guys think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.